Okay, good afternoon. My name is Riku Salminen, CDO from Ecolution. Welcome. It's all about biowaste, decentralized biowaste management. Bioreactor takes in biowaste, it outputs soil, water and heat. Innovation lies in microbiology and in process design. It's also cost efficient to implement with standard type of components. There's also innovation in insert material. Volume decrease 80%. Ecolution looks for 2 million euros first phase. 500,000 will be used for industrial pilot. A micropilot has been finalized already. Rest of the capital will be used for implementing the first pool of bioreactors, and Ecolution is prepared to raise second round 5 million. Biowaste producers are Ecolution clients. Ecolution will dramatically shorten the long current biowaste life cycle because treatment can be on the site near the waste creation point. And the good news is that big waste management companies are also interested in the Ecolution service. That we have a letter of intent type of discussion ongoing. First aspect of the business model, we will invest in reactors and run the system as a service. Customers are in a must situation with service contract. They need some kind of waste management service in modern countries, but they don't have to buy a bioreactor. This will accelerate sales, utilize current business model. Second aspect of the business model, divestments. This resembles real estate business, long predictable cash flows reaching to the future. Ecolution will divest with yield-based pricing, value-based pricing. Diversified asset. Target market is big. For example, there are over 150,000 shopping centers globally. Ecolution range is in smaller application sizes, typically 20 times smaller than profitable biogas plants in modern countries. Single sites, clusters, starting from Euro area, secondary developing countries with special needs in water and heat. Bioreactors are mobile, they can be relocated according to sources and the business needs. This gives some risk management for investors. Compact, neat, efficient equipment. This indoor market opens a blue ocean market for smaller application sizes in new locations. This is a figure slide from the point of view of one bioreactor. One bioreactor makes some money, capacity 1,000 tons per year, turnkey building cost 150,000, client saves between 20-40%, 60,000 revenue, operating cost 27,000. Split of operating costs 1/3 to electricity, 1/3 to humus transportation and 1/3 to operation and maintenance. There is also some upside kicking potential for investors in building cost, could be around 100,000. Service fees, humus business with refining and retail and water and heat. These figures are quite conservative. Ecolution point of view, investors have two sources of revenue, service revenue around 6 million by 2015, and divestments profits around 3 million. So the service side represents a very stable revenue side, and these partial divestments can be used for growth financing. 100 bioreactors running and 40 have been divested. This plan includes second round financing during 2013, 5 million, zero debt financing, and the 100 bioreactors running represent 22 million net asset value. Bioreactors are divested with a market price 220K. It's 7 times EBITDA or 10 times EBIT for one bioreactor. Our team, Ecolution, is a spin-off company from Chemitec Consulting, a leading expert firm in Finland. Around 200 reactor design cases internationally. They have designed extremely complex processes. This is not in the highest difficulty task. And operative management has 30 years experience. For example, Finnair, Nokia. My background is from Nokia. And board of directors, plenty of experienced guys. So let's see what can be done with the output products, with the soil, humus. Left-hand plant has been grown with standard supermarket soil. The right-hand plant has been grown with Ecolution micropilot soil. The differences can be seen after 2 years. They are also visible by eye after a couple of months. So nutritious soil can be useful stuff. Finally, I want to introduce Ecolution Employee of the Year. He works 24/7. He makes the company profit. He doesn't go on strike. He doesn't ask for unreasonable salary compensations. So, Teo Timisjärvi, CEO, he is somewhere here. My name is Riku Salminen. Thank you.
Thank you, Riku. If I start from this end, do you yet have a proof of concept? So do you have an operational reactor running already?
No, but we are. That's the first one, the pilot.
Okay.
So that's what I meant by industrial pilot.
Okay, thank you.
So.
Yep, Jari.
Yes, I have two questions. One is to this process. That are you selling or providing these microbes or bacteria or whatever to catalyze this process, or is the process itself, let's say, self-operating?
It is more or less standard aerobic process behind, but it has innovation. It's not composting, it's not biogas. It's probably closer to composting, but it has microbiology plus process design innovation.
Is that something which you need to renew all the time, or is that something which constantly works?
Yeah, it's self-sustaining. So the control philosophy is to give good environment for the bacteria.
Since in your economics there was a good part of the profit comes from that divesting the processes itself. So what is the planned sort of life cycle of one reactor?
At least 15 years.
I have a question from a customer perspective. I understand that from a customer perspective, there are two advantages. First of all, I can get rid of my waste product. That's the first thing. And secondly, the reactor even produces a value product, that is your humus. So who will be your typical customers? I think if I just have this pile of waste, my main motivation is to get rid of this. Of course, there's a value product coming out. How do you combine these two things? I think many of your customers, they have no business model that is related to the humus you produce. So how do you integrate this?
No, it is our job to integrate that. So we could have two types of customers. In this presentation, the humus, the soil refining, retailing was not considered in detail. It was mentioned only as an option. It's in the business plan, but so the main revenue, 95% come from bio-waste management service contracts.
Okay, and you would also take care of the part of the humus part, selling this and taking this to additional customers, or
Yes,
how does your business model reflect this?
Yes, we are prepared to do that. So in this business case, actually, the soil side makes some losses, so it's like zero business.
Okay, Chris, one more question.
Sure. From the customer perspective, the value proposition to the customer, the one statement you made that really grabbed my attention was you're saving 30% of the service fees for the customer's operating budget. So can you help me understand, how do they save 30% on their service fees through your technology? And secondly, on the scope of their whole business operation, how large are service fees to their business? Like, how much does this impact their profitability as a customer? It's not clear how impactful this is to their bottom line. Can you answer this?
Okay, so bio-waste business is maybe 15 or 10% out of total waste management business. So I guess that reflects, if you think about anybody who's producing plenty of waste, mixed waste or bio-waste, about that amount, the small minority comes from bio-waste costs. So we can make the reduction out of that business. And the market price perception, what we have based on discussions with real living customers, is that the pricing model is that the customers, they will pay for transportation and the treatment of bio-waste. And in our case, we have used rather conservative price level for bio-waste treatment. We are using 56 euros per ton. And that's like 20% off from the price level of the Greater Helsinki area main landfill plant. So we are using this kind of price level. So it's the dominating central processing price level in certain area of the land, and we take 20% of that, and we can offer that to big customers. So that means up to 40% discount.
And through that process, I save 30% of my service fees as a customer. I'm trying to understand that statement you made about a 30% cost savings.
Yeah. So to simplify, if you are a customer, you can go to a major waste management company for bio-waste contract, or you can come to Ecolution. And Ecolution price per ton is at least 20% less.
Okay.
But
Okay.
Am I communicating clearly?
I think I got it. Thank you.
Yeah, I think the last thing clarified. I think so. Thank you very much, Riku, and your Apple workforce.